Hey guys, welcome back to the video. So we are back again with yet another video. So this time we have got another great product from Apple. So this is one of the must have products for people who are into video conferencing on the call all the time and people having an iPhone. So today we have with us the Apple AirPods Pro 2 second generation. So this is the new variant of AirPods that was recently launched by Apple. So I have purchased this from Flipkart and I got it at a good deal. So we had a good discount and some bank offers. So this is a good deal at which I purchased it. And also guys, this is not only a review video for you people. This is a product which I use it extensively. I have been using the AirPods Pro for generation 2, so I thought of upgrading it to the Pro variant 2. So I will be using it on a regular basis. So yeah, so let us quickly go ahead and unbox the product and see what are the things that we are getting inside it. Okay, so this is how the box look like, guys. Normal packaging, Apple product sealing at the back. Now recently guys, there have been a lot of duplicate products that have been coming out. Looks the very same, gives you a kind of same animation. So make sure when you get hold of these AirPods, so you don't forget to go to the Apple's website, Apple coverage, to check whether you have received the genuine product or not. It's very important to go ahead and do that. I will attach the link in the description. You can have a look at it. Okay, so let us see what are the things that we are getting inside the box. Let me just open it for you. Okay, normal packaging. Okay, designed by Apple in California. So this is what you're getting, which will have some literature, I believe. Yes, some literature, manuals and things like that. Warranty details. Okay, let me just quickly keep this aside and move forward and see what else we are getting inside the box. Okay, so here is the most awaited, guys, product. The Apple AirPods Pro 2 second generation. Okay, typical Apple packaging. Let me just quickly open it. Keep this aside. Wow. This is how it looks, guys. The notch just feels good. That click sound. You have an indicator light over here for pairing. The pairing button. So here is the speaker. The hanging or notch over here. Type C. Another indicator. So there is a difference in the product design this time, guys. We will explain you why. What exactly are the designs and why are they displayed in this way. Let us see what else are we getting inside it. Okay, now this is something which I'm going to cherish, guys. This is a Type C to Type C cable. This is going to be really helpful and it's a braided cable, guys, coming from Apple. So now you can understand the quality. It's beautiful. Okay, we will open it. Just give me a moment. And here is the earbuds cases. Yes, here is the case for the different sizes of earbuds. The sizes are mentioned from XS to small to large, and we are already wearing the medium size. So this is how it looks like, guys. This is a good initiative. Apart from this, we don't have much more inside the box, guys. Nope, nothing much more that we get to see. Okay, let me give you a closer look before we pair it with our iPhone 15 and then we will move into the different features. Okay, so here is the AirPod, the normal packaging, how it's used to be, special Apple packaging that we need to open it. Now let us see what are the things that we are getting inside this, guys. Normal design by Apple. This is mentioned over here. I believe this will have some literature in it. Yes, some literature, user manuals regularly that we used to get with Apple. So let us quickly go ahead and keep these things aside. So here is the main Apple AirPod, guys, that you can see. New one with new design. This is how it looks like. Let us keep this aside and see what else have we got. Okay, so here is the braided cables, guys. So finally, type C to type C cable, as you can see. These are the braided Apple cables. The packaging is so good. See how they are lined up, rolled into layers. This is something nice. I like the Apple packaging always. Fine, now let me just show you the earpod, how this is looking. Let me open the wrap up. Yes, we have got this thing opened up. Sure, and let me keep this aside. Here is the Apple earpods, guys. Let us see. This is the indicator light. This is the pairing button, guys. Once you paired your device, you open it, you have a green light. If you have not paired it, it will be flashing white, guys. Now let us take the earbuds out first. Okay, this is how this looks like. Not bad. Now this time there is a USB-C charging point indicator, charging indicate. This is again, guys, a speaker, so when you don't have sound or when you don't have battery, your battery is low, it will be making sound over here. If you're using the Find My Device option from the iPhone and you've lost this case, you will hear sound. There's this lanyard hook when you can use it, and typical Apple packaging. This is nice. You will have the serial number details over here to verify this product as well. Now first of all, let us look into the design, the change in the design that Apple has done. This is, guys, Apple AirPods 2 second generation. This is Apple AirPods Pro 1 second generation. Now in terms of differences, guys, you can see over here they had a lightning port on the Pro 1, and the Pro 2 has a type C. There's no indicators over here, there's no speaker over here as well. Also, you don't get to see any lanyards. Same backlights over here. See, guys, if you're not using a case from the beginning, you will have the scratches. So in terms of the inside, it's the same. There's not much of a difference. It's almost the same, guys. So this is the Pro 1 which I was using earlier, Pro 1 second generation. Now I've upgraded to this variant. So this is in terms of the case, but both are MagSafe, guys. Wireless charging supports on this. Now let me look into the earbuds. Okay, so what are the changes in the earpods? You used to have a ear sensor over here. They have now reallocated on top. This is the new generation, this is the old generation. Now this used to be big, this is smaller. In terms of this, it's like this, it's the same. Now you can control the volume gesture by swiping up like this and swiping down on both the ones, but this one, the new one, responds much better. So yeah, so basically these are the changes, guys. There are not much of a changes in terms of both the earpods. Now these earpods, guys, are water, sweat, dust resistance as well. Okay, on this earpods, guys, let me tell you, this earpods comes with Bluetooth 5.3 wireless technology. These also have the, as I said, built-in speakers that play sound to help you easily. Okay, so quickly over here, guys. Now once I open this up, you will be getting ahead to see the battery percentage level over here, the case battery percentage level. You will be able to see all the details mentioned over. Okay, so there are multiple extra features that you get. So first is the spatial audio, which is the mode is there. So if you want to go ahead and change anything over here, long select on it, then click on it, you get to see the different AirPods. First you have a normal mode, then which will, you will not be able to hear much of a sound of the outside in the normal mode. Transparency mode is a specialized mode in which you will be able to speak with the other person, along with you can hear what the other person is saying as well, as if you're not even wearing the earbuds. The adaptive mode is a mode that keeps on changing according to the surrounding. If you're speaking to someone and if the sound being played, the sound will automatically reduce down, and if the music is loud enough, the music if you're playing a music at the background while speaking to someone, the music volume will automatically go down and your volume will only go up, and vice versa, guys. Now then you have the noise cancellation mode, in which it cancel out totally all the outside noises that's there. But mostly I like to use the transparency mode, guys. Spatial audio, guys, it's another mode. Like if you are playing any music, and if whichever side you're directing, you will have a sound coming out from that direction in a loud mode. So these are some of the extra features that you're getting. Now mind you, guys, with the MagSafe you will be getting up to 30 hours of listening time or 24 hours of talk time, and you will have 5 minutes, which is equivalent to if 5 minutes of charge in the case will give you 1 hour of listening time or talk time. In terms of listening earpods, guys, these earpods that I have will give you 6 hours of listening time with a single charge, which is up to and with spatial audio on, you will have around 5.5 hours with special head tracking enabled, and you will also get around 4.5 hours of talk time with a single charge on these earbuds, guys. Isn't that great? So this earpods, guys, also comes with 1 year of brand warranty. So if there's any issue, you can reach out to the Apple. So there are some special programs on AirPods which Apple run. I will share the link in the description. You can go through them as well. One more great feature, guys, that is if you are having one more AirPod, if you have there are two AirPods around, then what you can do, there is a special feature which is called audio sharing. So you can connect both the devices together, and whichever sound is being played, you will be able to play the same sound. Like from this device, if both the AirPods are connected to one device, you will be able to hear the same sound on both the AirPods. That's like almost like a share Android share play feature. This is really nice. Okay, now talking about the build quality of the MagSafe case and this earbuds, guys, let me tell you, this comes with dust, sweat and water resistance as well, guys. Now this is how the earbuds look like. There is an extra air vent also which is given to release the pressure. By that what I mean is that when you're wearing the earbuds on your ears, there is a lot of air pressure that gets created. To release that air pressure, the vents are given inside these earbuds. This new AirPod Pro 2, guys, comes with the H2 chip of Apple, so which makes the syncing much better. You have features like conversation boost. You have you have features like conversation detection, in which if you are speaking to someone, the earbud will automatically detect that, and the sound, the music, if you're playing it to the volume, will automatically reduce down, and once you stop speaking, again the volume will go up. As you can see over here, guys, you have a speaker over here. So when your battery is low in the MagSafe, or when the MagSafe case is lost, using a mobile phone, you can use the Find My Device option and play sound. It will play a loud sound over here. When your battery is low, it will again play a sound. This is the Type C, which supports fast charging, guys, and this MagSafe also supports wireless charging as well. So if you have a wireless charging dock, you keep it on that, it will get charged. It will have an orange flashing light over here as well. And I can tell you, this stands out of all the products that's available in the market. At this price, I have purchased this from Flipkart at a price of 19,000, guys, at a discount, with bank discount with IDFC Bank. Generally you get it at a price of 21 to 22,000. So I think it's a value for money product. In terms of quality, I'll give it 5.5. In terms of sound, I will again give it a 5.5. In terms of build, 5.5. Value for money, out of 5, I will give it a 4.9, guys. Just blindly go for it. It's a good product. But yes, one thing, guys, I would also tell you, don't forget to buy a case. It is advisable to use a case with it. So this is my AirPod Pro first one. This is my AirPod Pro 2. So you can see I was always using a case. So this is a case which I have got from Daily Objects, costed me 499. It's a good case. It has elastic rubber type feel like this, how it opens. So you can go, it has a keychain over here as well, so you can go with this. This is a good product. Okay, so with that we come to the end of today's video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and any feedback that you have, to share it with us on the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please pause the video and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so that whenever a video is uploaded, you get notified. Also, guys, we have our Instagram and Facebook page over here. Any questions that you have, you can ask us, you can DM us, we will get back to you. You can follow us on this social media handle of the channel, and you can also follow me on this social media. It will be on the displayed on the screen here, guys.